Hi guys, so we are here to do the unboxing and review of this new Zebronics headphone. This is a wireless Bluetooth headphone with mic. It has a calling facility. So basically, first of all, the packaging is wonderful. It looks really good, and the product itself looks very good from here. And out here we have the details. It's the year of import is 2020, November 2020, and the model name is ZEB Duke. It's from Zebronics. This product is basically a made in China product. It's written out here PR China, country of origin, and we have the basic features out here. The wireless range, and wireless range is 10 meters, which is very good. And basically we have the charging time is 2 hours, playback time is 30 hours, talk time is 30 hours. So let's not drag it to 30 hours. We can keep it to maybe 24 hours, but that's really good. And it's more or less the contents of the package is given out here. It's one headphone unit, one charging cable, one aux cable, one user manual, and we have the basic functions written out here. And this is the Bluetooth version. It's version 5.0. It has aux facility, it has call function, it has dual pairing function, and this is the branding. So we have the details out here at the back of the box. The MRP is 2,499, 2,499, but I didn't purchase it for 2,499. I bought it from Amazon. I bought it for 1,299. That's a little bit more than 50% discount. I bought it for 1,299, and 1,299 for this product. It feels really good. It has 3 color variants: blue, green, and black. I bought the green one, and basically this product was not there when I first tried to order for this maybe a month back. I just saw it recently, like 2-3 days back. So let's go ahead, let's open the packaging. And okay, it's written 30 hours playback out here, but let's not take it that far. Okay, this packaging is first of all very good, and okay, so as per, okay, now this, wow, this looks really good, and most importantly, this feels really good. It feels like a premium quality product. This finishing is very nice. It's got the Zebronics branding given out here, and this is the control buttons. We'll get back to that in a while, but basically this product looks really good, and the finishing is nice. The quality of the cushions, they are very good, and I guess, yeah, this is extendable, so you can adjust it as per your need. So we'll keep this aside for a bit. Now we'll check the contents. This was one unit. Okay, so here we have the this is the charging cable. So I usually don't use this because you have this is a type B charging port, so more or less you can use any other charger for this, but okay, this is good enough. So this is the and the quality is pretty good. Okay, now you have a user manual in here. So that is not exactly needed right now. And the best thing is that you have an aux cable with it. Means they are giving you this aux function and most of the headsets which come online, they usually don't come with the aux cable. It means they might have the aux facility, but they don't come with the aux cable. They have given you a very good quality aux cable. It's a very good quality aux cable. And okay, let's keep this back in here and let's get back to the product. So here we have this, and the best feature about this, which I felt, is like this. When I was browsing through the features while ordering this product, so I saw that this has RGB lights in it, and it looks really good. I saw the photos, and usually the gaming headphones, which about more than 2,000 rupees maybe, those usually have this RGB light function. They have nice designs out here, nice layouts, RGB lights, but they are wired. So I think this is one of the first Bluetooth headsets to have RGB lights, but with a layout like this, with an RGB layout like this, I think this is the first. These are the function keys. This is the on and off in the center, then the volume keys and changing your songs. This is where you put in the aux cable, the aux port. This, I'm assuming, is the charging light. This is the charging port. This is the mic. So let's turn on the device and see. Check out the light. Wow, this is extraordinary. So with this, I just turned it off, and I heard the sound quality, so it was really nice, and given the price, it was really nice. If you're paying 2,499, then you should browse for other options also, but this has a good bass quality. The bass is nice, and it fits nice. So yeah, and the most important thing about this product is that it has noise cancellation. Means these cushions are so well placed when you wear it. The fitting is so nice, you can adjust it accordingly, and it's so nice that what happens is, like, so when we turn this on here, this is just a close-up view of the product with lights turned on. So check that out. Just check out the quality of the RGB light. This product overall, it looks fantastic. See, if I keep it out here, this is the view, just how nice it looks. Yeah, so what I would suggest is, like, if you are paying $12.99, then just go ahead with the product, and just go to Amazon, just check it out. This is one of the best headsets you can get at this price. It's got that premium finish, and I think it comes with a 1-year warranty also. This is made in China, but that really, I don't think, makes much of a difference right now, because this is the product you're getting out here online, so that means it's pretty much legal to sell these products, I guess. So that's not the main thing. So most importantly, what's happening out here is, just go in for this product. I guess it's worth it, and the sound quality is also nice. Everything is good about the product, and if you like this video, then please press the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a video. And please do share this video, and thanks for watching. Bye.